Feel ko talaga hinihintay na kami dun eh.
Hi, vlog. Hindi mabait na ako may vlog.
Hindi siya ganyan. Nagre-reklamo siya kanina, guys.
Ano ba? Baka mapanood niya to. Alam mo talaga si ZJ, mabait na tao yan.
Wow. Kailangan sunduin namin siya, ganun.
Oo. Ganyan talaga pag may bunso privilege card.
Privilege card.
Hey, happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hey!
Yeah! Hello, vlog. Is working? Wala kang ano, yung ganun.
Ay, nagkakal. Lagyan natin.
So, nasan tayo right now?
Nasa bahay ni ZJ.
Nasa bahay ko.
Siyempre, be opposite.
Tignan mo, umabot na kami ng disyerto.
Dito pala dito. Litena! Tayo ay magkakbay.
Ayan kasi isa siyang pasneyang buarka.
Oo.
Ang saya pa rin sa loob mo.
Ang saya pa na.
Ano na?
Sabihin mo sa kanila, hindi sila sa likod na.
Uy, doon kayo sa likod.
Pumila kayo.
Wow.
Tahimik. Ano ba yun?
Uy, pwede ano?
We're gonna eat.
Sige, sa gitna. Para.
Thank you, Ash.
Uy, that's ours. Ay, sorry.
Should have brought your
Cap.
Aww.
I'm going back home.
Oh.
Ah? Ano? Ilagay mo to!
Ano yan?
French fry.
Ruby-chan? Hi! Nani ga suki? Sino next? Sino? Ruby-chan? Bibi-chan?
Bibi-chan.
Hi! Alam mo yung ganda-ganda mo, tapos yung mga mukhang ginagawa mo, parang...
Kaya nga dapat pag ano, sa vlog ni Ashley, naka-mute lang tayo. It's my debut on Ashley's vlog.
Ah, yeah. Okay. We're currently walking, and it's super duper hot.
Never again.
Teacher Training and Services Center.
The accountants.
Accountancy in their field. Baby girl.
Our tickets. Thanks to the accountants.
Thank you. Hi vlog. Welcome to Warner.
Cut. I mean, like, stop.
Open na.
I think this is my favorite ride. Greenlander.
Yung isang tropa namin, kasi ang kailangan namin hanapin is yung susi sa isang kwarto. Tapos may timer kasi yung escape room. yung timer ng escape room, mga 30 minutes lang kami nandoon. So ako naman, nasustress na ako kasi like, walang nagalaw. Tapos, ayun, sa butas daw, may kailangan pumasok. Pag ata, hindi yun, pumasok. Sa gits.
Okay naman pala! So this is us after Green Lantern.
It's okay.
It's okay.
We're going. I like takedown.
Okay.
The first step in a larger plan. I need to investigate the helicopter crash site to determine what that device can do.
This is the Batman ride.
We're done with the Green Hunter.
No?
We're done with the Green Hunter.
Oh, we're done with Green Lantern.
Lantern.
Green Hunter? Green Hunter?
We're done with the Green Lantern.
Adik kasi siya sa Huntrix.
Green Hunter. Yeah. Okay, we're going home now. Oh.
Tingnan mo, pagkatapos namin mag-Batman, gusto nila paikot-ikutin kami. Scarecrow agad? Oh my gosh. Hi guys! So, actually wala pa ata siyang 1 minute. It's fast, pero hindi yung fast na, yung time yung mabilis actually. Uy! We just went. What is that? What is this evil?
People of Gotham, you're safe for now. But this city can be a
So we're gonna ride my favorite ride. It's the Riddler.
How is your experience sa 360?
Tignan mo.
Sa 360 ride?
Ang bilis niya. Tapos sobrang, actually okay lang siya. Pero sobrang taas niya. Walang tao. This is us after Riddler.
May hilo na sa kasama.
Medyo parang masusuka na siya. Hindi namin sasabihin, pero yung kasama naming lalaki yun. Hala si Robin!
Oh my God, Robin Padilla.
Hala! Hi guys!
Yung may right. Welcome to my house. This is the dining area.
Ang kalat naman. Guessing game. Guessing game. Yan.
Uy, kumandar muna tayo.
Iba na yung player. Kasi yung ginagawa dito eh.
Uy! Uy!
Ulit. Arabic ka.
Pwede dyan, pag drawing mo dyan, mali ka din. Yay! Yay daw. Oh, it's a letter. Dapat yun.
Tagal na. Ayan na.
unexpected delay. This train will resume rolling momentarily.
Naka. Hindi na yun.
after.
Kabisado niya na yun. Isang oras ba naman kami naghintay doon?
7 Jerry, guys. Mapapansin kaya wala na akong boses. Guys, Warner is so pretty, like so pretty, like so pretty.
Nasakay sana kami dun sa ano, yung Fast and Furious.
Ano Fast and Furious?
Yung ride doon, yung pinilahan na.
That's the name?
Yeah. Papakita ko na lang dito sa vlog. Nag-iaya silang bumili ng tubig. Tapos lahat pala bibili ng tubig. So umalis na lang kami sa beach.
Yeah, so...
Ang ending kakain na kami.
Yeah, guys. What time is it?
2:58.
Ito ba? Whatever. It's 3 now, so... We're having lunch. So like... Are we still a group, guys?
We're in the middle.
Like, tatlo sila, dalawa kami.
Dalawa yung nasa likod.
Batspa, Liwa, Pinas, tapos Adu.
Ang bango.
Bet nyo?
Are we gonna eat?
Okay, 1 chicken shawarma. Sige lang. May tubig naman ng kabahan.
Ay, nag-video.
Good.
Wow. You enjoy it? How was the visit? Did all the parties have been visit already or not yet?
Not yet.
Where?
Done.
Yeah.
Halas, sleep.
Yeah.
Sleep. Thank you. We had three people. There's mixed reviews. You go to the Google, you can put your review. Ace of Club restaurant. I can bring you the barcode.
Kain tuloy ako. Di ba vlog na nga lang? Hello, we are taking over Ashley's vlog. Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below. Napaka-OG. Comment down your favorite color. So guys, 1 plus 1 is... Comment down below, what's the correct answer? Do you see the lights?
See the light, see the shine, see the bright.
Kinilig siya, sinusubuan siya ni Chi. Kayo na tumingin sa sarili niyo, tagahamak na lang. Check niyo na lang kung in-frame kayo, guys. Ashley, how do I stop? It's still going.
Hi vlog! Vlog takeover for today's video. Ang hirap naman ito. Nakaganon ako mag-vlog. Binalik mo sa akin! I felt like a genius. Ixus.
Yung ano?
Pangalan nung kami.
Yung Exus, yung pag may electric fan.
You can connect it from... Pwede ba i-fast forward mo na lang?
You
can ano it from like...
Bisaya?
Diba yung pagpagod ka na? Gusto Ixus.
I love that. Narinig niyo yun?
Hindi mo yung pag naglalakad ka may nakaharap. Excuse me?
Yeah. Oo, nag-gets ko. Late ko.
Comment down ko na-gets niyo yun.
Slow ang slow.
Kasi lang. Comment down below kung mas mabilis niya na-gets.
Hindi, sabi ko.
Siya lang.
Tayo nag-insert ng BGM.
kunyari, boomerang.
Boomerang, 3, 2, 1, go.
Tayo. Pero isa pa boomerang yung funny face. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go.
Lag ko na yan.
Zoom in?
Zoom in? At ikaw na bahala mag-zoom in ito 2, 1, go zoom in. Zoom out. Tapos na ang vlog takeover.
Going in.
Please secure all loose items. Do not secure.
Anyway,
Hi vlog!
magbabasa na kami.
We're going to the water! And
Oh, kunyari hindi natin siya napapansin.
there's a ghost behind us.
Yeah. Listen.
Whoa. Hey, what's good?
Let's go. Yago ba? Flintstone.
Harry?
Potter?
Pero madaming boat inside, so it's fine. It's fine, bro.
Okay.
Oh, there's pictures there. You can look at it. You get wet either way.
Ang sad naman kung ganun lang.
Ako talaga, nagkasakit. You can film.
Kita ng sipong ko.
Guys, this is me before getting wet.
Us
Yes.
before getting wet. Wet?
Oh.
No.
Yo, what's good?
Mag-post tayo sa camera later, ah.
Yeah, put the camera up for Gina.
Gina!
I can't wait to show it off at the Stonecennial celebration tonight.
Matapos na.
Ayun. Ulit kami.
Sayang di ako eh.
There's a wedding celebration.
Dito ka ba?
Stonecennial celebration officially begun.
His pantaloon!
Yung shot namin nakita sa camera.
My pantaloons are
The
wet.
pantaloon!
Good day, fellas.
Gusto nyo mag-bump car ng Basaka?
Tara, bump car. Gusto kong bump car.
Mag-bump car daw.
Baka pambata na tayo.
We're gonna ride this na. This thing, oh, we rode this earlier. So, yeah. Let's watch them. Ayun sila guys, so I think you can see them. Then, oh. Oh. La. Kita mo yun? Kita mo yun. Update, uulit pa daw sila kasi naiwan sila baby.
Yo.
Isa-isa kayo? Ay. Baby Bon, isang lingon, please! Baby Bon! Agoy! Baby Bon, isang lingon, please! Baby Bon! Agoy! Hala si Jo! Hala! Hala! Lipat tayo sa camera, naubos yung storage. Guys, this is their third round. Maayos pa sila kausap after. Nonchalant na nga sila eh. Tingnan mo mamaya, ang tahimik. Pinalis na kami guys.
Pre-presa tayo. Bahay?
Ko?
Yeah, bahay mo.
Ko? Bye ko?
Bahay mo. Bahay mo.
Oh, say bye guys. Say bye guys.
Imong bahay.
Garwan, anyong? Sa loob ng 13 years, where was I? Hi, bye-bye.
Ngayon ka lang ulit lumabas.
Alam, mag-emote pa sana ako. Sa loob ng 13 years, saan ako? Bye-bye.
You know, ito talaga yung surprise.
You need to... I use my Emirates ID.
So, pasal na ba sila yung force?
Ay, Rez, ikaw muna mag-study na. Itira na din eh.
Ay, kanina yan.
Sino yung princess na yan?
Tara na, mag-exercise na tayo kasi nag-exercise na tayo.
Sige, wait. Inom lang ako. I-drop mo yung shoulder mo. So, maka-stretch yun. Hindi naman ganyan. Ito, stretch. Stretch to.
May bakit pinalilid mo? Gumagano siya.
Oo, kailangan talaga naka-stretch yung likod mo.
Ganon?
Wait lang. Tapos, hindi siya diretsong pa ganun. Hindi siya diretso. So, you start from here. You put ang dumbbell dapat umaabot sa waist mo. Dito mo mararamdaman yung squeeze sa likod.
1, 2, 1.
Yes! 1, 2! Oh my God!
Like yung bag.
Aray! Ang lakas niya! Beat me!
Ihampas mo sa kanya.
Grabe. Tapos tayo mo ulit.
Gachara, gachara!
Hindi! Tayo mo!
1, 2, 3! Okay, okay. Oh, okay, ready? 1, 2, oh my God! Akala mo ba akong kasha? Okay. Oh, you can't see me. Okay, go. Kunwari may ring eh. May ring kasi dapat. Ano. Pak. You can't see me.
Yes!
Oh my God!
You can't see me. We're not.
Sige nga, what's my ano?
What's my name?
Don't know. You don't even know. You're such a...
Isigaw mo sa hangin.
Hala, Ashley, may nalungkat na naman to.
Secret!
Your name.
Secret. Are you vlogging?
Hi guys, welcome to our vlog.
Bro, Gordon!
Ay, oo nga.
Copenhagen. Grow a garden.
Baker.
It's not focusing. It's not focusing. Focus. 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 Yeah. Focus. I thought we were vibing. I thought.
Bigla ka na lang nag-focus. Nagulat ako. Focus. Parang inuusin sa'yo.
I thought.
Sila.
So, ano hiking?
Pwede ba kayo decrease yung lakoy nyo?
Pwede ba kayo decrease yung lakoy nyo?
Aray!
Ano ba naman to? Nakikisiksik eh.
This is Ashley Reyes, guys. She's 20 years old. 2-0. By the way. 2-0. This is Yashmin Ramos. She's playing Roblox. Guys, maybe we'll end the vlog here because the people I'm with are crazy. Yeah. Anyways, guys. Oh, focus. Yo, one. Yeah. Yashmin, what do you want to say to the fans?
I want to sleep.
She wants to sleep. Don't sleep, bro.
Why are you hiking?
Anyways, bye guys. I'm gonna play Roblox.
Pwedeng gawin sa Roblox.
Hi Ash, welcome to my guys. Good night.
Siyempre, di mapapasok yung walang butas dun eh. Okay. It's the thoughts that counts. Okay? Agoy. Okay, you start independence. Joke lang. Ito. Independence ka, John. Oh.
Please click like, subscribe, and comment down below.